Imagine your brain as a metropolis, bustling with pathways and connections. This is the world of neuroplasticity, where every thought, every learning moment reshapes your brain's landscape. Welcome to the incredible journey of understanding and optimizing your mind. Neuroplasticity is your brain's remarkable ability to reconfigure itself. When you learn something new or change your behavior, your brain forms new connections, a testament to our capacity for change and growth at any age. By leveraging neuroplasticity, we can revolutionize how we learn. Tailored learning strategies that align with how the brain adapts can make acquiring new skills more efficient, enjoyable, and deeply rewarding. Incorporating neuroscience is about enhancing our well-being, creativity, and resilience, transforming challenges into opportunities for growth. The frontier of neuroscience promises unprecedented insights into the human mind. The journey into neuroplasticity and neuroscience isn't just about understanding the brain, it's about unlocking our full potential. As we learn more, we realize the power to change, to grow, and to thrive is within us, waiting to be awakened. What new skill will you learn today? How will you harness the power of your ever-changing brain? Share your journey towards mental agility and resilience. Let's inspire a world of lifelong learners.